to check. Show the most expensive item in your collection. Expensive item in your collection. The least expensive item in your collection. The one that wants to steal. Collection. The weirdest item in your collection. The weirdest item in your collection. And your favorite item in your collection.